What's up guys, Saif Ashraf here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in titanium grey. This is the 512GB version. I bought this from Samsung.com. I did do a pre-order, so we've got that today. And yeah, me being an Apple fanboy, this phone is pretty scary because this is the best of what Android has to offer. Like, you can't get better than an Ultra phone from Samsung. So yeah, without anything else said, let's get straight into the unboxing. Okay, actually before the unboxing, just real quick, I also wanted to say that I do have some accessories for the S24 Ultra, the Smart View wallet case, the vegan leather case, and also the screen protectors, all official from Samsung. I'm going to be doing a separate unboxing and review on all of the accessories that I have for this phone. There's more to come, but these are what I have right now. So make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the reviews and unboxings of the official products. So with that out the way, let's actually get into the unboxing of the S24 Ultra. So as you guys can see, we got the phone at the front, like I said before, titanium grey, Galaxy S24 Ultra branding. At the back, pretty simple, nice black box. On the side, as you guys can see, Galaxy S24 Ultra. On the other side, it says Samsung. So with that, let's peel the security tags off. That's one. That's two. And let's take off the lid. And as you can see, the Galaxy S24 Ultra in that beautiful titanium grey colorway. Yeah, it looks crazy. All right, let's see what else is in the box though. So there is this pamphlet, which I'm guessing has the paperwork, as you can see, a SIM ejection tool and the USB-C to C cable. Now, I have a lot of these, so I'm probably not going to be opening these, user manuals and everything like that. So let me put this stuff to the side. Let me not fumble around with this. So that's the lid, nothing else in there. And let's take out the actual phone. Damn. Now, I have seen this phone before in the Samsung store before release, but damn, come on, that just looks so nice. Let's take off this little sticker. I want the device to be uninterrupted. And yeah, as you guys can see, the titanium grey just looks really nice. It is kind of similar to the iPhone's grey. I mean, not grey, but their natural titanium colorway, but that just looks so nice. Let me just see if there's anything else in the box. Nope, it's just a lid. Put that to the side. And now you guys can see the S24 Ultra in that titanium colorway. Let's take off this sheet of plastic. And you can see the 6.8 inch. And as you can already see the anti-reflective coating on the screen. And yeah, that was the unboxing of the S24 Ultra. Let me quickly actually show you guys around the phone. So as you guys can see, we do have the titanium around the phone. We also have the S Pen. So let me take that out and show you. I haven't used a Note phone or a phone with an S Pen from Samsung in the longest time. So it does have that nice grey S Pen as well. They did actually change the speaker grills, so it's like a slit instead of the dots. USB-C SIM card. At the top we have two microphones. Nothing on the left side of the phone, and then we have, of course, the power button and the volume button on the right side. And with that said, thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe so you can see the full impressions and many more videos to come. And with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video.